We'll guide you through how to clone a project in VS Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're now handing the video over to Pausa, who will continue.
Cloning a GitHub project simply means downloading an existing repository from GitHub into your local computer so you can work on it inside VS Code. This can be a public project or even your own repository. You don't need to manually download files one by one because Git handles everything for you. Before we begin, make sure you have Git installed in your system. If you have not installed it yet, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking and just go to a new tab, and in the search bar just go ahead and search for Git and just go inside the official website for Git. And now here you will see latest source release. Just go ahead and click on install for your operating system, and then here you can choose your operating system. So I'm in Windows, so I'll just click here to download the latest version, and once I click on it, my exe file will be successfully downloaded. So now let's go to the download folder. Just open your file explorer and then go inside the download folder, and here you can see the Git we downloaded. So just double click on it to run the setup wizard. Just click on yes if prompted. Just read through the general public license and click on next, and here you can select your installation location and click on next. You can leave most of these options at default and click on next until you get the install button. Just go ahead and click on install and just wait for the installation of Git to complete. Now once the installation is complete, you can just toggle off view release note and click on finish. Now once it is finished, just open your browser and then just go ahead and go to a new tab and search for github.com, and then make sure you are signed in with your account. And once that you are signed in, just open any repository that you want to clone. So I'm just going to search for the project that I want to clone and just click on the repository. And now here you will see a drop down for code. Just go ahead and click on the drop down for code and copy the HTTPS link. You can just click on the copy URL to clipboard icon and it will be successfully copied. Now just go ahead and open your file explorer and navigate to the folder where you want to store your project. So let's say I want it inside documents. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new folder. So I'm just gonna press Ctrl Shift and N key on my keyboard, and I'm just gonna leave it at new folder and go inside the folder. And once you are inside the folder, just go to the address bar and just click on it, and then hit a backspace and type cmd to open the command prompt in this folder and hit enter. And now just go ahead and type the following command. Just go ahead and type git space clone space and press Ctrl and V key on the keyboard to paste your repository URL that we copied earlier and hit enter. Git will now start downloading the entire repository into your local system. This may take a few seconds depending on the size of the project. Once the cloning is complete, you can just go ahead and type code space and dot and hit enter. This will open your current folder directly inside VS Code. Just click on yes, I trust the authors, and I'm just gonna close the welcome screen, and here you can see we are successfully inside the new folder that we created earlier. Alternatively, you can also open Visual Studio Code and then manually click on File and then choose Open Folder and select your project folder. Now, once you are inside the VS Code, open the terminal by going at the top and clicking on Terminal and choose New Terminal. Now, as you can see, I am successfully inside this folder, or if you are not sure, you can just go ahead and type cd space and your project folder name, and then you will be successfully inside your folder. At this point, your GitHub project is successfully cloned into Visual Studio Code and you can start editing, running, or contributing to the project. So now I'm just gonna run my project. So I'm just gonna close the terminal and just right click and choose to open with live server. And now you can see we can successfully run our project in VS Code. And that's it. That's how you clone any GitHub repository into Visual Studio Code.